In this video, I am going to explain step-by-step procedure for developing a simple Arduino project. LED bar graph display interface with Arduino Uno. First, we will build hardware part of this project. Open Proteus software. Click here to pick hardware components. Search Arduino Uno and paste it in workspace. Pick red LED and paste it in workspace 8 times. Now give circuit connections as shown in this video. Now we will go to software part of project. Open Arduino IDE. Copy program code from video description and paste it in Arduino Sketch. Go to File. Then click Preferences. Check compilation tick boxes marked. Now click compilation icon. Now we can see that there is no error in this compilation. Now we have to locate hex file of this project. Check this number. Now go to Run Terminal. Type appdata. Go to temp folder. Locate this Arduino project folder. Copy hex file and paste in project folder. Go to Proteus. Double-click Arduino hardware. Browse folder to locate hex file. Go to Debug and click Run Simulation. Now, we can see the output of this project.